Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for chapter 1 part 2, the earth and the solar system of geography. In this video we are going to cover the topic the solar system, the sun and its important facts, the planets. In that we have Mercury and Venus. So these topics will be covered in this video. Here we will start with our first topic, that is solar system. I have already discussed that solar means related to the sun, and this word solar is derived from a Latin word solaris, which means the sun. Now the family of sun is called the solar system. Now who all comes in the family of sun? So in the family of sun, the sun itself is there and 8 planets and all the objects which are moving around them. That is collectively called solar system. Now in the picture also you can see that sun is there, 8 planets are there, and these all form the solar system. Here we will learn about the largest celestial body of our solar system, which is the sun, and it is almost million times larger than the earth. Now the sun is the center of the solar system. Everything revolves around the sun and it is in the center of the solar system. Now it is a huge ball of hot and burning gases. It is very hot. Now the gases which are present in the sun are hydrogen and helium. These are the main gases which are present in the sun. Now the hydrogen get converted into helium all the time. And when this happens, tremendous amount of heat given out. Now the temperature of the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. The distance between the sun and earth is 150 million kilometers. The light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. So you can understand how fast the light of the sun travels. The sun is the greatest source of energy for lives on the earth. And as it is the nearest star to the earth, it seems very big, and other stars seems and looks like a tiny dot in the sky because they are very far from us. So you can understand how big the sun is, and it is hot also. Here you can see the huge ball of hot and burning gases and the largest celestial body in the solar system, that is sun. And you can also see it takes only 8 minutes to reach the sunlight to the earth. Now we will go to our next topic, the planet. Now the word planet is derived from the Greek word planetes, which means wanderer. That means which is wandering in the space. The planets are actually the solid heavenly body or celestial body, and it revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Now, except Venus and Uranus, all other planets move around the sun in anti-clockwise direction, which is west to east. But this Venus and Uranus, they move opposite to other planets. That means they move clockwise. Now there are 8 planets in our solar system, and all these planets get heat and light from the sun. The planets does not have their own heat and light, and these all planets move around the sun in the fixed path. That path is called orbit. So each planet has its own orbit, and it cannot go through others' orbit. It has to move on its own orbit. Like in the picture also you can see each planet has its own orbit, and it will move on that same path, same orbit. Now here you can see the planets are divided into 2 categories, inner planets and outer planets. Now the first 4 planets which are nearer to sun are inner planets, also called terrestrial or earth-like planets. The last 4 planets which are farther to sun are called outer planets. Now here you can see the inner planets are small and rocky, but the outer planets are large and gaseous. That means the inner planets are small and made up of rocks, but the outer planets are large and those are made up of gases. Now the inner planet, they have solid surface, and the outer planets, they don't have any solid surface. Inner planets have low mass and outer planets have high mass. Inner planets have high density, outer planets have low density. Inner planets are close to sun, whereas the outer planets are far from sun. Now the inner planets closely spaced orbits and outer planets have separate orbits. Inner planets have moons. Some of them have few moons and some of them does not have. But outer planets have many moons. Now the inner planets have no rings, but the outer planets have many rings. The inner planets also called terrestrial planets, and outer planets are gas giants. Now the inner planets, in inner planets, the planets which comes are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So this is the description of inner planet and outer planet. Now we will learn about the planet Mercury, which is the first planet, and it is the closest planet to the Earth. Now Mercury does not have any satellite. It is the fastest moving planet, and it takes only 88 days to revolve once around the sun. That means it completes its revolution in 88 days. Now it takes 59 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Now next planet which we are going to learn about is Venus. Venus is also called the Earth's sister, as it is similar to the Earth in size and mass. It is also known as morning and evening star. Now like Mercury, it does not have any satellite. That means Mercury and Venus both don't have any satellite. Venus completes its rotation in 243 days and revolution in 224.7 days. One more thing is here. As I already told, the Venus moves clockwise around the sun. Venus and Uranus both moves clockwise around the sun. Other planets anti-clockwise. moves around the sun. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Any queries and questions will be resolved in the online classes. So be ready with your questions and queries. Thank you, students.